Imagine 5 thrill seekers, Liam, Zoe, Ethan, Ava, and Noah, ready to face the untamed river. Liam, their leader, shouts, "Ready for a wild ride?" Zoe, eager, responds, "Absolutely, absolutely." They navigate through tumultuous rapids. Ethan shouting, "Hold on, adventure begins!" Ava, soaking, laughs, "Rafting," so Noah adds, "It's like nature's roller coaster." Liam guides left, "Brace." Post-rapids, Zoe gasps, "Intense!" Night brings a campfire, Ethan asking, "Stories?" Ava, stargazing, says, "Better than any hotel?" The next day, a waterfall. "Liam, waterfall ahead," Zoe exclaims, post-plunge, "Best adventure ever." Ethan states, "2 days on a raft, we've conquered nature." So what do you think? Could you conquer nature's roller coaster? Share your thoughts.